Thanks for the stuff, Andy. Back to you. Stay in touch.
Thanks, mates. Can't disagree with that.
Smith, wasn't it? Made the tackle against you.